Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel with you, your friend Hand, and today I'm going to share with you the cleanest place in the world as you see in the cover photo. So let's get started. First, for those who do not know, Masjid al-Haram is located in Mecca in the state of Saudi Arabia, and it is the most place where Muslims gather to perform the Hajj, and it is a place of very great value to Muslims, and for this reason it has the most clean place in the world. Now, the cleaning of the entire Masjid al-Haram takes place within a period of 45 minutes, starting immediately after Maghrib prayer in an area of 550 million square meters. This place is so huge. While the event is washed in a professional manner in an estimated period of about 20 minutes, it makes it a huge human density. And these cleaning operations are carried out 10 times a day by 4,000 disinfection workers. And it's also perfumed with finest perfumes. And it works to clean the Masjid al-Haram by 10 robots. One robot works for 8 hours without human intervention, which makes people feel easy to deal with. The device has a capacity of 23 liters, of which 2 liters are consumed every hour to eliminate bacteria in an area of 600 square meters each time. And for information, the percentage of garbage left by humans is 0% because Muslims urge there to maintain conclusions, especially in a place like Masjid al-Haram. That's all on this video. With you, your friend Hand. Thank you for watching.